Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an authentication vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is password reset broken logic. So we need to reset Carlos's password and then log in and access his My Account page. We have our own credentials and we know the victim's username. Sweet. Let's open it up and take a look. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know how I am doing. Let's go. So let's take a look at our own to see what it looks like. Wiener Peter. We want, this is in the password reset. So let's actually forget password. Wiener username, submit. Please check. So what happened? Proxy, HTTP history, post, password reset, broken logic, forgot password, and then I wonder, can we, here's an email client. Oh, good. So we can see what came through. Forgot token equals this view raw. Let's do it that way. And really we want to examine this bit. How does it come up with this? So let's go decoder. Let's try base 64. No. We made it Wiener. So it's going to be forgot password token to Wiener. Interesting. Is that static? What if we did it again? Back to lab home. My account. Forgot password. Wiener. Submit. Email client. It is not static. Okay, let's copy link and visit it. Peter, just so I know I remember it, submit it. And let's see if there's anything hinky with that post. So we got that and then the post. Yeah, that's probably it. We need to provide a valid forgot password token. Oh, but is this email client? So let's go to home, my account, forgot password for Carlos. Let's see if we get that email link. We do not. We only receive things for. So what if we used a valid but changed the. So what if we sent this to repeater and just change this, Carlos? Send. And then we try to home if it works, I'm going to solve it in the browser. How can I verify that it works without logging in? I don't know. I'm going to have to solve it in the browser and then wait and write the script. Carlos Peter. Yep, I'm going to have to. Hey, there we go. Username is Carlos. Solve the lab. Okay, we need to implement that in the script. I'm going to have to wait even to write the script because as you can see, the email link is gone. And I need to add that functionality probably to the site to be able to read email stuff because we don't have any. This is the first time we've run across that. All right. So I'm going to pause it here and we'll come back in 15 minutes. Okay, so I think it's been long enough. Let's check. This should time out. It does. Let's open it up again. And I kind of forgot what I was doing. I think it's, we get, all right. So we need to create we need to go to my account and then forgot password, or we just need to go to forgot password, enter in Wiener, submit, go to the email client, read that link, and then go to that. We need to go to that link, change the username when we submit it. Woo! All right. Let's start writing our script. So, did I already, I don't think let's go here. Copy 3, Python, utils, create script, no, we don't need -d. I don't think I created this script yet. Sweet. Okay. So now we should be able to vim password reset. I'm loving this, by the way. I'm really happy I did that. All right. Let's put into pseudocode what we need to do. We need to, boom, go to the password reset, which was my account, forgot password. So, forgot password for Wiener. Get link. Do we need the link or we just need the reset token from email client? And then we need to submit that, which we did. Oh, we did it in repeater too. So we need, and no CSRF. So we just need this. I wonder if we need the session. I don't know. I don't want to try it because I don't want to solve it. So we'll get the reset token from email client and then we'll submit password reset for Carlos. And then we'll log in as Carlos. That is what we're going to do. So forgot password for Wiener proxy. Forgot password. That's the get. We could look at the form. Input required. So no CSRF, just one. Let's go to the post. Login. Forgot password. So this is what we need to submit. And this is when we tried it for Carlos for some reason. Oh, just to see if we could see the link. And we couldn't. So username equals, we need a post to forgot password. So we're going to do it like this. Requests.post. It is just so blog.base URL plus forgot just password. Just like that. We're going to do data equals, and I'm just going to put it here, username, we need wiener, right? Because we want to submit it for ourselves, but then when we, okay. Let's format this if blog.no proxy. We're going to do this, else we're going to do this, but with the proxies and proxies equals utils.proxies and verify equals false. We're going to save this resp equals. Do we need? No, we actually don't need that. Now we need to get the email client. So we need to extract this. Let's view page source. Where is that? Right here. Exploit link. ID equals exploit link. Do we already have, like, how do we do tils site exploit URL extract text get hint get exploit URL? So it's going to be the exact same URL that we got for get exploit URL. So we can do that. Get exploit log. What is this? No, we can't do that. But we can do like a get email. So what does this look like? Yeah, let's do that. We'll get email log. So it'll be similar to get exploit log, but def get email log self log.info getting email log if self.exploit URL is none exploit URL equals self.get exploit URL else exploit URL equals self.exploit URL. And then we'll do URL equals URL join exploit URL email resp equals self.get response URL return resp. And I just want to make sure that that line is correct. Yep, looks good. So here, after we submit this, we're going to do blog.get email log. Get email log. Do we need to give it anything? Nope. And we're going to get a response back. And then we need to extract that token. I wish there's probably a way to do regex, but get the last instance. Let's log.debug resp.text. Because here we're going to have multiple instances and we only want the last one. There's probably, I think we can figure out a way. So let's try this out and see how well we did so far. There we go. This is what we want. This is in a table. Table row. Table row sent from subject body. So I think if we extract table rows, table data to there, that will have each email will be a row. We can grab the last email or the last instance of that. And then, okay, that sounds reasonable to me. So let's write extract all. Let's use extract all for table rows. And we need so let's go to Python reg x, because normally we're just trying to do one. I want to make sure we get all instances in a list. So that is, oh, we need multi-line, right? Yep, definitely multi-line. Where was I? 5. Compile, okay. Search first location. Not that. Find all. Yeah, that's what we want. Find all. Let's add this to our site. So extract text, extract multi-line. We're going to add one to def extract all self pattern text. It's going to do this, except for we're going to m equals search. Instead of search, we want change word find all, right? Yep, find all pattern strings flags. And we got pattern text flags. And then this is going to return a list of, as a list of strings or tuples. Okay. So we don't need to do the if the result depends on the number of capturing groups. If there are no capture, I don't know how this is going to work with capturing groups. I think we just need to say exactly what we want out of there. So I think with this one, our pattern is just going to be M. It's always going to have, does it error? And matches are returned and the empty matches are included in the result. So it's always going to be a result. So we don't need this try except, because there is no failure condition. And then here, get log. Here we want site.extract all. Site.extract all. And we want the pattern to be tr dot asterisk question mark ntr. That will get from here to here is the first one. And then here to here as the second one. And we want the last. And instead of site, I want change word blog. So I'm going to do last entry equals m equals m minus 1. And then we'll log.debug that. Last entry. Oh, we need to pass that here. Resp.text. All right, let's give that a shot. Blog has no attribute. Oh, I didn't write this. Dang. Ha, look at that. That's exactly what we wanted. Now that we have that, we can extract the token, which is really what we want. So we can say token equals blog.extract text. The pattern is going to be temp-forgot-password-token equals until, okay, so I need a double quote, temp-forgot-password token equals, and then we want a capture group, question mark, single quote space. And the text we're going to get that out of is last entry. And now we want to log.info token. We can keep that debug. Let's throw that. Make sure we've extracted the token. Boom, we did. Is that the last entry? It looks like the exact same. Let's refresh this. I don't know how important it is to get the last entry. Oh, it is. Oh no, they ordered it the other way around. So I want the first entry. Ha. Oh, but the first entry minus the titles. So it would be the second entry. And I should change last to latest. So it makes a little bit more sense. So this GT, SBT, and we go here. Hopefully. Oh yeah, GT, SBT. Okay, sweet. So we've got the right token. Now, submit password reset. We need to use that. So we need a post to password reset. Forgot password, not that one. This one with our token. So let's copy this out and that out. I'm just going to paste this down here so I have it in front of me. Okay. So we need to do another request. We'll just copy this since it has most of everything we need. Quest post, and then go to forgot password. We need to add a param. params. Let's do this here. Data equals dictionary username will be, this time it will be Carlos. Params equals a params temp dash forgot dash password dash token, and this will be token equals params data equals data data params equals params. And for data, we need to add more crap to this. We need to add temp dash forgot dash password dash token, and this will be token. And then, so I'm just looking down here. Next we have username, and then next we have, it's off screen. Let me go like that so it stays on screen. Here we need new dash password dash 1. This will be our new password. We'll just call it Peter. Why not? And then new dash password dash 2. And this will be Peter also. Boom. Oh, yeah. I did forget a comma. Thank you. Submit password reset. So we have the password reset done. All we need now is to log in as Carlos. So blog.login with username Carlos and password Peter. I should really, instead of repeating this, should set a variable victim equals Carlos, password equals Peter, and now Carlos, we want to dt victim and dt victim. And then I need a Peter. I need to go here and do DT comma. I'll do the same there and add password. Boom. Okay. I feel better about that. Let's delete all of this junk. And finally solve this. I think we're ready to go. Let's do it. Oh, crap. Forgot one thing. Blog.is solved. All right. Now let's do it. Got the token. Attempting to log in. Lab is solved. Woo! Home. There's the banner. Awesome. So this is kind of a cool one. I liked it. We bypassed the password reset, or there was a flaw in the reset logic where we could reset any user's password just by having a valid password token, but changing the username to their username, our victim's username, then setting the password to something we know. Once we got that working, we were able to log in as the user Carlos to solve the lab. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.